Hey there! So you want to know the only way to properly install IPTV on your Fire Stick? And honestly, I'm excited to share this with you because I've tested every method out there, and this is the one that actually works without any headaches. This approach is what I use for every single IPTV installation. The thing is, there are tons of tutorials floating around that make this process seem way more complicated than it needs to be, but I'm going to break it down for you in the simplest way possible. Your Fire Stick is essentially an Android device, which means it can run pretty much any IPTV app you want. You just need to know how to unlock that capability properly. Let me walk you through the complete process step by step. First, you need to jailbreak your Fire Stick. Don't worry, it's not a hard thing. Just go to Settings, then About, click Fire Stick multiple times until you see a message telling you that you are now a developer. Next, you need to install the Downloader app, which is going to be your gateway to getting IPTV apps on your device. Go to the Amazon App Store, search for Downloader. It's the free app with the orange and white icon, and install it. This app essentially turns your Fire Stick into a web browser that can download and install APK files directly. Second, you need to prepare your Fire Stick for installing applications from outside the Amazon App Store. Go to Settings, then navigate to My Fire TV or Device, depending on which generation Fire Stick you have. Find Developer Options and turn on Apps from Unknown Sources. Your device will give you a warning about security, but don't worry, we're only installing legitimate IPTV applications. Once you do all this, open up Downloader and you'll see a simple interface with a URL bar. Now, for IPTV, you want to get a quality player that can handle professional streams properly. I always recommend TiviMate or IPTV Smarters Pro because it's stable, reliable, and works perfectly with quality services. Also, IPTV IPTV offers free setup process for you. Anyway, in the URL field, type this code 250931. After that, scroll down and you will see IPTV Smarters. Click Download and install the app. Now here's where it gets interesting. Open IPTV Smarters Pro and you'll see a professional interface asking how you want to add your IPTV service. This is where having a quality IPTV provider like IPTV makes all the difference. Most professional services, including IPTV, provide you with login credentials, a username, password, and server URL that makes setup incredibly easy. Make sure to buy a reliable IPTV content or just visit IPTV website iptv.online to get your IPTV subscription and get more 46,000 TV channels and unlimited movies and TV shows. Select Login with Extreme Codes API if your provider gives you login credentials. IPTV provides everything you need in after you place your order in IPTV website. So you just enter your username, password, and server URL, give your playlist a name, and hit Add User. The app connects to the servers and starts loading your channel list. What I love about this setup is how smooth everything works once it's configured properly. With a comprehensive service like IPTV, you're getting thousands of channels that load quickly, organize automatically into categories, and play back reliably. The interface is responsive with the Fire Stick remote, and switching between channels is seamless. The key thing to understand is that your IPTV experience depends heavily on two factors: the app you choose and the service provider you use. IPTV Smarters Pro is solid software, but it's only as good as the streams you're feeding into it. When you pair it with a quality service that actually maintains proper infrastructure and provides clean streams, the combination is genuinely impressive. The bottom line is this: installing IPTV on your Fire Stick in 2025 doesn't have to be complicated, but it does need to be done right. Follow this exact method, pair it with a quality IPTV service like IPTV, and you'll have a setup that works reliably every single time. No constant troubleshooting, no apps that randomly stop working, Just solid IPTV streaming whenever you want it.